Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to connect your Blockdag account to your Binance wallet, today we're going to show you exactly how to get it done. So let's dive in. Okay, so we are in Blockdag, and it is blockdag.network. This is their official site, and you can now go over to the right-hand side. You'll see there is a Buy Now button. You're going to go and click on this Buy Now button. You can now see that the page is loading, and they've got a very cool page here. You can go and click on Connect Wallet. Now, once you've clicked on Connect Wallet, you're going to go and look for the wallet over here. Now, you can also use a QR code, but for now, we're just going to go and select Binance Wallet. So once you've clicked on Binance Wallet, you will now get this QR code. What you will then do is open your Binance app. On the top right-hand side, you should have a QR scan code reader. You're going to open that up. I'm going to go ahead and just scan that quickly on my mobile device, and within the next few seconds you will see that your wallet is connecting on your mobile device, and then you will have your Blockdag connected to your Binance account within the next few seconds. I hope this was helpful.